What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's Kevin. I'm out here in France. I'm about 2 hours away from Spain. I'm hiking in the mountains, in the forest. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm hopefully going to arrive at a medieval village at some point. I've been told there's caves in the mountains, so I might try and find the caves. See what I can find. Okay guys, I've been hiking for just over an hour and a half, probably about 5-6 kilometers up a mountain. And have a look at this. I'm gonna try and go over to those mountains and the cliffs over there and get a view of all of that. Have a look at this cool little bit of a cave. You can see for up here in the rock where you have these carved out pieces along the edge. It's pretty cool. And then you look here, a tree growing right in the middle. It's pretty neat. Definitely somewhere different. It's pretty cool to come here and check this out. I want to go up there. Well guys, I've been hiking for about 12 kilometers. I don't know where I am. I'm a little bit lost in a kind of a forest type of place. Got all these nice trees here. On this side I got olive trees all the way down. But I found a path, so I'm going to walk it. See where I end up. Well guys, I was trying to make it up to there. Took a wrong turn somewhere. I ended up in a wine vineyard. Welcome to France, right? Have a look. I wanted to get up to there. I'll still try. Oh guys, when you get lost, which way do you go? Left or right? I think this would be the right way. So I'm gonna walk this way. See what I can find, because I tried to get up to the top of the mountain. Ended up at a vineyard. A little bit discouraged, but you know, just keep moving on. And maybe I'll see something else along the way. I'm gonna try again to find another route. I'm gonna hike in here, see if I can get to the rock's face. So there's caves along here. I found one. I think there's more up there. We'll see. See where this path leads me. It's like 27 degrees outside. And near these rocks, it's even warmer. I'm gonna follow this way. It's a cool little spot. Oh, look at that. Oh, neat. When you look at some of these places, you can see for it's like really good grip for grabs, and you could really rock climb all right here. I mean, look at that. See if I can climb up. That's really cool. Look through one, look through another. Two eyes. Pretty neat. Come around the corner and you see people rock climbing. Nice. Way up there. Being a rock climber and you find places like this just by chance, it sure is amazing to have a look up and you can see all these cool cliffs that you can rock climb around. Just beautiful. I really enjoy it. Hey guys, I got a nice beautiful breeze up here. It's 28 degrees.